Are you wondering how to use Salesforce for business intelligence? Well, you're in the right place. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how Salesforce can transform your data into actionable insights for your business. First off, let's talk about the main reason Salesforce is so valuable for business intelligence: its power to integrate all your business data into one place. Whether you're tracking customer interactions, sales, or performance metrics, Salesforce can pull all that info together. And because it's cloud based, you can access it anytime, anywhere. This centralization means no more switching between platforms to get a full view of your business. Next thing, Salesforce comes with built-in analytics tools like Salesforce reports and dashboards, which allow you to visualize your data and create custom reports. Instead of sifting through piles of raw data, you can quickly generate reports that make sense to you. You can track sales, monitor customer engagement, and forecast business growth, all with just a few clicks. This level of reporting is incredibly valuable for making informed business decisions. Now, let's dive into automation. Salesforce's automation capabilities mean you can set up alerts or workflows that notify you when specific metrics hit a certain threshold. So, if your sales dip below a certain point, you'll get an immediate notification. This helps you stay ahead of potential issues and can trigger automated actions that keep your business running smoothly without having to manually monitor every metric. The fourth thing to note is Salesforce's artificial intelligence, called Einstein. This tool takes your data analysis a step further by offering AI-powered insights. Salesforce Einstein helps identify trends and makes recommendations based on your business's data. So, instead of spending hours analyzing data, Einstein can save you time and offer insights you might not have considered. This is a game changer for using Salesforce for business intelligence. Now, here's something many people don't realize: Salesforce is not just for large enterprises. Even small businesses can harness the power of Salesforce's business intelligence tools. Whether you're tracking leads, customer journeys, or financial growth, you don't need to be a big company to benefit. Plus, with Salesforce's flexible pricing and packages, you can scale it as your business grows. The last thing I want to highlight is the customization options Salesforce offers. You're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all solution. You can tailor Salesforce's tools to fit your business needs, whether it's through custom fields, custom objects, or third-party app integrations. This makes Salesforce a truly versatile platform for business intelligence that adapts to your specific needs. Remember, if you want to try Salesforce for yourself, you can use it for completely free from the first link below, along with our exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to see how Salesforce can elevate your business intelligence game. And as promised, I mentioned earlier that you'll get an extended free trial of Salesforce, so you can dive deep into these features without any commitments. Make sure to take advantage of that. Just click the link below.